What's going on, guys? It's your boy ABighz, and we got another video for you guys today, and we're gonna go over what is going on, why is the market selling off, and what really happened today and last night overnight. All right, we all woke up to a sea of red. The futures were down around 400-500 points. On Sunday, we woke up to it being down around 700. We woke up with the SPY being down quite a bit, significantly actually, and it tried to make a push, but it just simply died. So the reason behind all this, guys, is a lot of fear in the market and regarding the coronavirus, and there's this Bernie Sanders news going around, and he's putting all this tax and all this stuff to for people who are actively trading, or even now I heard he's going after people who profit from real estate. So there's a lot of fear in the market. Market's been at all-time highs for some time now. It's due for a pullback, but is this the opportunity to buy the dip? All right, I wouldn't say just yet. I would say wait for a bit. We wait to see what really goes on, what really happens in the days to come. I know we've had these days where the market pulls significantly and then the next day it gaps up, but that's not the way it works. You want to see proper setups. You want to see proper sell-offs, and then have the ability to take a position, especially for you guys who are swing trading or long-term holding on your positions. I myself want to start holding some long-term positions if the market does pull back significantly enough, but at these highs right now, I'm not going to do that. So let's just take a look at what happened. We'll go look at the 15-minute chart on the SPY. As you can see, Friday we closed at around $333, and we gapped down, and we essentially opened at 323. We opened at 323, we pushed up to 325, and we saw lows of 321, guys. It couldn't hold it. It couldn't hold, the bounce. It came right back down, and the daily candle it gave us is pretty nasty. As you can see, this is it right here. Pretty ugly candle, and that is that. Now, with a sell-off, there comes opportunity, but you guys, like I said, have to understand when to take those opportunities, when to take those risks. And if you guys do take positions and you're stuck in long positions, as always, make sure you have your stops. Make sure you have a set risk, and hey, I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna get in, and if it pulls on me, you know what you're gonna lose at maximum. So always understand your risks and whatnot going forward. Today, I was stuck in a position on Tesla at market open, guys. Again, I'm trying a few new things. I'm trying to do some options. So I'm giving up a lot of money in commissions recently, especially on my TOS account. But with Tesla, guys, I was watching this thing pre-market. I totally missed this move on the way down. But when I got this big move and this push up, and came, and we kind of like bounced around here. I was looking for the next leg down. I went short here. I'll show you guys. I went short right here on this pop to this EMA right here. I held it, and as soon as that market opened, I tried to market out of my position. However, TOS did not show me that it filled. So that's an issue. I don't know if I'm out of the trade. I don't know if I need to, I don't know what I need to do. So I kind of held on to it. And then I thought I wasn't out of the trade, so I did it again, and this time I flipped my trade into a long position, which kind of worked, and then I ended up being red because I was always behind one step because I didn't see that original fill. Long story short, this is where we stand on my TOS account, and then I had to call TOS. Had a long conversation with the gentleman on the phone, discussed with him it's unacceptable, especially in Canada. We pay $10 a trade, and so far they've charged me around $4,000, and for them to tell me that this is I have to make an assumption that once I press market order I'm out of the trade is absolutely unacceptable. So I dealt with that situation, and they did help me out quite a bit, actually, more than I thought they would, but regardless, it took some time. So where am I going with this? Fight for your right, man. Don't ever sit back and say, whatever, you guys screwed me, I'm just gonna let it go. Fight for your right. Call their broker, let them know what happened. If you have a recording, even better. Okay, that's that. Now briefly, I want to touch up on WSDT here, guys. Right here, we are sitting on number 3 with quite a decent gap here. We're sitting at 160 points. 4th place is 123. This is amazing. I'm so proud of this. I'm so proud of you guys. You guys are actually pulling weight because I'm out of the competition. The ones, man, I've always said this from the first competition this started. The turtle wins the race, and you guys have not been eliminated, are slowly grinding up the leaderboard, and that's what I like to see. Now let's go ahead and look at the top 20 here, guys. This leaderboard was updated on today at 2:40 p.m. So if you guys took any trades after that, you'd have to wait till tomorrow to see what's going on. But we have number 8, Amor, sitting in the account with $11,000 in profit. Congratulations, man. Number 8. And number 13th, we got David with $10,000 in profit. Ryan, another $10,000 in profit. We have Corliss, Skylar, and Corliss and Skylar, both sitting around 8,200, 8,000. We have Eric, we have Emaine, we have Sajad, we have Jesse. Guys, you killing it. The top 50, you guys are on there. I'm so proud of you guys, and more than grateful to have you guys on my team. If you guys were eliminated in the competition, guys, and you guys did blow the account, you got to understand it's a total different mindset when you're playing in the WSDT. You have a $240,000 account, but obviously when you're trading in your real account, you have to know that you got to take less risk, you got to take less positions, you got to take less size, and have the ability to grow your account. So this is totally different. And if you guys need an account to trade with, there's a link in the description. WSDT sale is still going on. You get the account for $399, I believe. Gives you a $14,000 account to trade with. So if you did like the platform during the WSDT competition, make sure you click the link and get your $14,000 account. But I think that's all I got for you guys, man. There is something else that I want to announce for you guys coming. My dog is barking. Coming this week. So keep your eyes peeled. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button and hit the notification bell, so when I post videos, you guys will get notified. There's going to be an announcement coming. You guys are going to love it. And I'm actually excited for it, believe it or not. All right, guys, that's all I got for you guys today. Keep your eyes peeled to the futures tonight. Let's see how that happens and what's going on with that. If the futures pull, we're looking at another gap down in the mornings. And if we lose that 320 level on the SPY, it's going to be an interesting ride on the way down. Let's just hope everybody is in the green and not a lot of you guys are caught in long positions as the market's selling off. All right, guys, appreciate every single one of you guys. I'm a little drained today because I spent all day on the screens. I think you guys can tell from the energy that I'm giving you guys, but I'm always smiling. One thing to remember, always appreciate yourself, the people around you, and your family members. All right, guys, love each and every single one of you guys. It's your boy ABighz. Adios.